proud of you.
Congratulations, ate. Love you.
Good day. Good morning sa lahat. Gusto kong batiin si Chai sa araw na ito na gagalapin ang kanyang graduation ngayong araw na ito. At sigurado maraming medal na may kukolekta yung mga yan. Congratulations, Chai. I love you. Love na love ka rin, Daddy. Love you all.
Hello, Chichay. Congratulations. Good luck to your high school life. Love you.
Hello, Ate Chichay. Congratulations kapag sa graduation. Congrats, Ate Chichay.
Congrats, Chichay. Keep up the good work.
Don't pressure yourself.
Congrats, Chichay. Woo!
Chichay. I love you.
Hello, Chai. It's me, your ate Nikki. Yan. Congrats, and good luck sa next journey mo, Chai. Sana mas ma-enjoy mo pa. And palagi ka mag-iingat. And susunod ka lang, mami, palagi. Kahit huwag na kay papa mo. Charot. I love you, Chai. I missed you.
Hello, Chai. Happy graduation. Congratulations. You're now going to first year. So, study hard. God bless.
Congratulations, Ate Chichay, for graduating from grade school. Great job! Alam ko proud na proud ang parents mo sa'yo. And good luck sa pagpasok mo ng high school. We know you can do it. Galingan mo. We love you. See you soon.
Congratulations, Chichay! Graduate ka na na elementary. Pareho kayo ni Sopien. Good luck sa pag-aaral nyo and laging mabait kay la mami at daddy. Mag-aaral mabuti at bawal muna kayo mag-boyfriend. Ganun. Congratulations, Chai! Love you! Mwah!
Congrats, Chai! We love you!
Hi, Chichay. My anak, just want to say congratulations for all your achievements. Me, your Ninang, is super happy and super proud of you. Always remember that Ninang April is always here for you and for your brother and sister, and of course for the whole family. And if you need someone to talk to, I'm here. My only advice for you, sometimes in life, minsan kailangan natin madapa para matuto, so it's fine if minsan natatalo tayo sa buhay, but it's a sign na there's still a lot of things for us to improve. God is teaching us something, you know, kaya pinaparanas sa atin ni God. So always be strong, have faith in God, and believe na you can do anything as long as nag-believe ka lang lagi sa Kanya, and of course sa sarili mo. Okay? Always remember na we're always here for you, super proud sa you, we love you, and yeah, lagi lang kami nakasupport for you and for all your achievements, and especially right now your graduation. I'm really so proud of you, and keep it up. Sana hanggang mag-college ka, and sa mga darating pa na pagsubok mo sa life, you always excel sa lahat ng bagay. Minsan hindi naman din kailangan na lagi ka nasa top, you know, or laging you're doing your best, kasi sometimes dumarating din tayo sa times na or sa point ng buhay natin na mahina tayo, and it's fine. Lahat tayo dumadaan sa ganun. It's normal, anak, okay? Yeah, so just always pray, and nabigyan tayo lagi ni God ng wisdom, good health, para magawa natin yung best natin in life, okay? But also don't forget to be always happy sa lahat ng bagay, okay? Anak, super proud ako sa iyo. Laki mo na, and graduation mo na. Oh my gosh, nakakaiyak. I know, super saya ng daddy mo tsaka ng mga mami mo. Yeah, super proud kami sa iyo, anak. And yeah, that's it. Congratulations, anak. See you soon. I love you.
Congratulations, Chichay. Pagbutin mo pag-aaral mo, huwag kagagaya sa akin.
Congratulations, Chichay, on your graduation. Keep up the good work and continue making us proud. Congrats!
Congratulations, Chichay! Aral pang mabuti, nak. Apo pala. Love you!
Hi, Chay!
Congratulations! Yan. Ipagpatuloy mo lang ang iyong pag-aaral.
Anay?
Wag! So, ayun, Chai. Hi, I am so proud of you. Congratulations na again sa graduation mo. And sorry kung medyo maingay yung background namin kasi may mga ginagawa dito sa paligid. So, ayun nga. Alam ko namang mabait kang bata, matalino at saka talented. At higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos. So, ayun, huwag mong kakalimutan na nandito lang kami lahat to guide you. So, pag kailangan mo ng tulong, huwag kang mahihiya or magdalawang isip na magsabi sa amin kung anong kailangan mo. Yun lang. And I'm really, really, really proud of you. And konti na lang. High school ka na. Alam ko excited ka dyan. Diba? So, ayun nga. Bye-bye. I love you and really miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi Chai, heard you're graduating. Congratulations. Do you still remember me? Feels like it was just 5 years ago. You were still a baby. Now, not only you're big girl, but graduating. Congratulations. Dito ko din mo mga brother. And you and Chichi, I miss you both. Just keep being a good girl. Stop messing around with social media muna, okay? It's too early for that. And congratulations again. Tabat Chai.
Hello Chai, congratulations. I miss you. I love you.
Hello Chai and Chi. Happy graduation sa inyong dalawa. Sana pagbutihan niyo palalo. Good job.
Hi Chai! Congratulations on your graduation! Just please always know that I'm very proud of you, and I'm also excited for this new chapter that you're going to open in your book. First year high school ka na soon! But yeah, actually, I hope that I was there to witness this personally, but unfortunately, Mama can't do it. But please, sana alam mo na nandito lang ako for you always. And I'm very, very proud of you, anak. I love you. I miss you. Congratulations!